Living on the prairies, we are fortunate to have fertile clay soil, which is good for crops, but bad for concrete. The chemical makeup of the soil makes it particularly prone to absorbing a lot of water. When the clay gets wet, it holds on to its expanded size for long periods of time. It drains slowly and the soil shrinks to its original size. Concrete is susceptible to heaving and settling as the clay soil expands and contracts. The expansion of clay is hard on concrete foundations. The wet clay soil expands and pushes against exterior walls. The force can be enough to push the concrete up, causing cracks in the foundation. This can occur in old and new homes, much to the frustration of homeowners. Although there isn't a sure way to prevent foundation cracks, new building methods are helping. We use building piles, which are cement pillars that are placed deep into the soil to help stabilize the foundation. Fresh concrete can take time to cure properly, so it is a good idea not to park on it for at least 7 to 10 days after pouring. The deterioration of the top surface of your driveway, garage floor, and front step will be accelerated if excessive amounts of melting agents are allowed to accumulate over the course of the winter. This comes readily apparent in the area where a vehicle is parked and the salt-laden snowdrops from the vehicle sit in the same place every day. As the snow melts inside a garage, it then pools at the bottom of the garage door. Regular sweeping or shoveling, particularly the mush that accumulates in your garage, will help to combat this problem. It is also recommended that sand be used for traction on your driveway, front sidewalk, and steps instead of salt to prevent this occurrence. We suggest you read the MFG instructions on the product to ensure it is the proper product for you to use. It is important to note that any damage caused by salt and any concrete work is exempt from all warranty programs. Thank you for watching. We hope this video was helpful. You can find more videos like this in the home care section of our website.